Turkey has once again demonstrated its ambition to become a new force in the global defense industry by designing a new maritime surveillance drone, the Talay. This drone was specifically developed to address the challenges of operations in maritime, coastal, and strategic waters, which require speed. The presence of the Talay underscores Turkey's focus on strengthening modern maritime capabilities. The Talay is designed to operate in both open waters and narrow coastal areas, making it highly relevant for operations in the Aegean, Mediterranean, and Black Seas, as well as other regions with similar geographic characteristics. One of the Talay's key advantages lies in its aerodynamic design, optimized for low-altitude flight. The Talay's fuselage uses lightweight, corrosion-resistant materials, making it suitable for harsh maritime environments. Its wings are designed to be compact and efficient, enabling rapid launch from a variety of platforms, both land-based and ship-based. Turkey has equipped the Talay with modern sensor systems and avionics that support maritime operations around the clock and in various weather conditions. This drone can be equipped with electro-optical and infrared sensors, as well as a precision navigation system, enabling accurate target identification during both day and night. One of the most striking aspects of the Talay is its utilization of the wing-and-ground effect, a principle of aerodynamics that utilizes an air cushion above the sea surface to increase flight efficiency. With this technology, the Talay is capable of flying very low, sometimes reaching an altitude of just 30 centimeters above the sea, making it difficult to detect by enemy radar. Technically, the Talay is designed with performance that is highly competitive compared to typical maritime UAVs. It has a maximum speed of around 200 kilometers per hour. It has a payload of up to 30 kilograms, sufficient to accommodate sensors, cameras, or attack payloads, and can fly for up to 3 hours. It has a controlled data link range of 200 to 300 kilometers. Depending on the communication system used, its low-flying capabilities, coupled with optical sensors and real-time video, allow Talay to conduct undetected surveillance of ships, port infrastructure, and maritime activities. When needed, it can carry explosive payloads and conduct precision strikes against targets such as small surface vessels or port facilities, using ultra-latitude approaches that are difficult to anticipate. With a payload capacity of tens of kilograms, Talay can also be optimized for rapid delivery of small logistics and maritime operations. Following the initial prototypes unveiling at the SAHA Expo and further publicity at IDEF 2025 in Istanbul, the Talay continues to undergo advanced testing. Mass production is planned to begin around October 2026, with the first units targeted for delivery to the Turkish Navy or other partners in early 2027. The Talay maritime surveillance drone is a new milestone in maritime UAV technology, combining stealth, speed, strike capability, and mission flexibility in a single system. Utilizing wing-and-ground technology and modern navigation and control systems, the Talay is capable of operating effectively in challenging maritime environments, providing a distinct strategic advantage for modern navies. The Talay drone represents a cutting-edge innovation in unmanned aerial vehicle technology specifically designed for maritime and littoral operations. Developed by the Turkish defense company Solidaro in collaboration with Yonkaship, the Talay introduces a new concept in maritime threats, combining speed, stealth, and strike capability in a single, compact platform. The design of the Talay drone holds significant strategic significance for Turkey. In addition to strengthening national maritime defense capabilities, the project also demonstrates the growing technological independence of Turkey's defense industry. In recent years, Turkey has been recognized as one of the most aggressive nations developing drone technology, and Talay further demonstrates this vision. Talay's success also opens up export opportunities to countries in need of modern maritime surveillance and defense solutions, particularly those with long coastlines and strategic waters. With the design of the Talay maritime surveillance drone, Turkey further asserts its position as a key player in the development of unmanned technology-based maritime defense systems. Talay is more than just a drone. It represents a shift in the way modern maritime warfare is conducted: faster, smarter, and more efficient. Going forward, Talay is projected to become a key element of Turkey's maritime defense strategy, as well as a symbol of the advancement of drone technology that continues to push the boundaries of modern military capabilities. By exploiting the characteristics of airflow near the sea surface, this drone is capable of stable flight at very low altitudes while maintaining fuel efficiency and high speed. This concept provides significant advantages in maritime surveillance missions, as the drone can approach targets undetected early on. As a maritime surveillance drone, Talay is designed to carry out a variety of critical missions, from reconnaissance and surveillance to precision strikes against targets at sea. This drone can be used to detect enemy vessel movements, identify asymmetric threats such as unmanned fast boats, and carry out strike missions against high-value targets. This low-flying capability gives Talay a tactical advantage in modern naval combat scenarios, where reaction speed and the element of surprise are crucial factors. In certain missions, Talay can also function as a single-use attack drone, making it an effective and economical solution for high-risk maritime operations. Furthermore, Talay is designed to support a high degree of autonomy, including automated flight and intelligent system-based navigation. These capabilities reduce reliance on direct operator control while increasing mission effectiveness in environments with communication disruptions. One of the primary goals of Talay's development was to provide a flexible and cost-effective platform. Compared to manned aircraft or conventional naval weapon systems, this drone offers a more efficient solution for long-range maritime surveillance and hunting. Talay can operate independently or as part of an integrated maritime defense system network. In certain scenarios, this drone has the potential to work in conjunction with warships, maritime patrol aircraft, or other aerial drones to form a multi-layered defense system. Answering modern maritime security challenges, the maritime environment is currently one of the most complex areas of defense strategy. Threats such as small boat intrusion, illegal activity at sea, and potential interstate conflict demand surveillance and attack systems capable of operating silently and effectively. Recognizing this, Türkiye designed Talay as a maritime hunting drone capable of operating at very low altitudes above the sea surface, making it difficult to detect by conventional radar.